How to deposit money on Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So you guys might be wondering why am I in Bybit when our topic is Phantom Wallet. Now, as of now, there is no direct way for us to be able to directly deposit our money into our Phantom Wallet. So you would need to use exchange platforms like Bybit over here or Coinbase to be able to convert your money, let's say for example US dollars, into a currency that you will be able to put into our Phantom Wallet over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to first go over here and deposit inside of our Bybit. So in Bybit, they have fiat deposit, meaning you will be able to deposit direct money into your account. So over here, you can simply select the currency that you prefer and enter the amount that you want. And there should be an available payment method for you over here. After that, you're just simply going to purchase or trade some Sol into your account. And let's say you have successfully purchased a Sol with the amount of deposit or fiat that you have deposited. So I said, for example, $90 worth of fiat deposits. You're going to purchase $90 worth of Sol as well. After that, you're going to go to our withdrawal over here. Click on our select coin over here. Click on Solana. And then over here, you're just simply going to enter your wallet address. So simply go to now your Phantom wallet over here. Click on receive and simply copy your Solana and paste it over here. After that, you're just simply going to select the chain type over here, then put in how much you want to send, for example, 90 Solana, and then you're just simply going to click on confirm, and you should be able to transfer our money from Bybit into our Phantom wallet over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.